महाराष्ट्रातील अग्रगण्य संस्था कानके केमिस्ट्री अकॅडमी 3 जून पासून सुरू होत आहे खास 10वीतून 11वी सायन्स मध्ये प्रवेश घेणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी ऑनलाईन क्लासेस। ऑनलाईन साठी कुठलीही फी नाही। नीट, जेईई, MHT, CET साठी स्पेशल बॅचेस। आजच आपला प्रवेश निश्चित करा। कॉल 9822600918 किंवा 9325729992।
Farad, what is value of 1 Farad? 96,500 coulomb. म्हणजेच काय, ज्यावेळेस इतके इलेक्ट्रॉन असतील, इतके म्हणजे किती, हाऊ मेनी, 6.02 × 10⁻23 इलेक्ट्रॉन, या सगळ्यावरती मिळून चार्ज किती, 96,500 coulomb. We require charge on 1 electron, so 1 electron, what is charge on 1 electron, x coulomb. म्हणजे इतका इलेक्ट्रॉनवरती 96,500 coulomb इतका चार्ज, तर 1 इलेक्ट्रॉनवरती किती चार्ज, x coulomb. We have to find out the value of x. So left side divided by left side, right side divided by right side. So what is the value of x? Therefore x is equal to, what is the value of x, 96,500 upon 6.022 × 10⁻23 आणि सॉल्व केल्यानंतर तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेशन करा, इट बिकम 1.602 × 10⁻19 coulomb. याला म्हणायचं डिटेल. पण हे आत्ता मी का सांगणार नाही की आत्ता तुम्हाला 1 मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन माहीत नाही, आता तुम्हाला 1 मोलची व्हॅल्यू माहीत नाही, फॅरेडेज माहीत नाही. त्यासाठी आत्ता लक्षात काय ठेवायचं आहे, 1.6 × 10⁻19 coulomb इज द चार्ज ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉन. त्याची डिटेल पुढे येणारच आहेत, म्हणून मी सांगितलं की रिमेंबर ऑल दिस टर्म. सो आयसोटोप्स, हायड्रोजन विथ हाऊ मेनी आयसोटोप्स, दॅट इज द 3 आयसोटोप्स. Oxygen with also how many isotopes? Oxygen whose atomic number is the 8, 16, 17 and 18. These are the isotopes of oxygen. Atomic number same, atomic masses are different, are called as the isotopes. Then chlorine, atomic number of chlorine is 17, atomic number of chlorine is 17, 35, 37. Chlorine with how many isotopes? 35 आणि 37. आणि आपण क्लोरीनचा ॲटॉमिक मास किती घेत असू, 35.5. ते काय घेऊ ते पुढे सांगणारच आहे. सो क्लोरीन विथ हाऊ मेनी आयसोटोप्स, 2 आयसोटोप्स. व्हॉट इज देअर रेशो, दॅट इज द 3:1. सो ऑल these are the isotopes. So remember, what are the isotopes? Isotopes, different atoms of same element, having same atomic number but different mass numbers are called as the isotopes. Now next is the isobars. So what are the isobars? Isobars. So what are the isobars? Isobars, atoms of different element. फरक पाहता, atoms of different element having same mass number and different atomic numbers. Atoms of different element with different atomic numbers but same mass number. So in isobars, atomic numbers are different. Atomic numbers are different but mass numbers are same. Mass number same. So same mass number. This means that isobars represent different element and isotopes represent same element. Isobars represent different element and isotopes represent same element. So what are the isobars? Isobars, for example, when we write that is potassium, atomic number of potassium. What is the atomic number of potassium? 19 is the atomic number of potassium. Then argon, atomic number is 18, and calcium atomic number is 20. So here its atomic mass is the 40, it is also 40 and it is also 40. So they are called as the isobars. Very simple. What are the isobars? Isobars काय आहेत, atomic numbers are different and mass numbers are same किंवा mass number is same. Very simple. आयसोबार्स atoms of different element. इथं काय म्हटलं होतं, different atoms of same element. different atoms of same element. इथं काय म्हटलंय, atoms of different element with different atomic numbers and same mass numbers are called as that is isobars. For example, argon atomic number is 18, potassium atomic number is 19, and calcium 20. Although their atomic numbers are different, but their mass numbers are same. atomic number जरी different असतील तरी mass number कसा आहेत, सेम आहेत, आणि म्हणून याला काय म्हणायचं, isobars are called as the isobars. So this is about the isobars. Remember the species remember the species which shows the same mass number and different atomic number, and they are called as the isobars. Next important term, that is the isotones. Isotones. In exam it is easy to find out isotopes and isobars कारण क्लिअर दिसते, ॲटॉमिक नंबर सेम आहे, मास नंबर डिफरंट आहे, मास नंबर सेम आहे, ॲटॉमिक नंबर डिफरंट आहे. बट आयसोटोन्स, सो व्हॉट आर द आयसोटोन्स? आयसोटोन्स काय असतील? आयसोटोन्स, these are the atoms with same number of neutrons. Atoms, different atoms with same number of neutrons are called as the isotones. So isotones, in isotones their atomic numbers are different. In isotones mass numbers are also different, but what happen, atom number of neutrons are same. Number of neutrons are same, are called as the isotones. For example, carbon atomic number 14, mass number is 14. Nitrogen, here one of the isotope 15, and oxygen, that is the 16. Nitrogen with atomic mass 14 as well as 15. We consider that nitrogen whose atomic mass is 15. What is its atomic number? 6. What is atomic number? 7. और इसका क्या है? 8. Okay. So calculate isotones. So you have to calculate N. What is value of N? N is equal to A minus Z. So what is this? It is the A. What is this? It is the Z. So आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? N. हाउ टू कैलकुलेट दिस N? A माइनस Z. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू? इसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 14 माइनस 6. सो N इज इक्वल टू यहाँ पे 8, 15 माइनस 7, यहाँ पे भी कितना आएगा? 8, और 16 माइनस 8, यहाँ पे भी कितना आएगा? 8. सो N इज इक्वल टू A माइनस Z. व्हाट इज सेम हियर? नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स आर सेम. As there are number of neutrons are same, are called as the isotones. So remember the isotones. Isotones, these are the atoms in which number of neutrons are same. So all these three atoms in front of you are called as the isotone. एग्जाम में आपको शायद इस तरह के सवाल पूछे जाएंगे कि आइसोटोप्स कौन से है, आइसोटोन्स कौन से है. सो आइसोटोप्स आइडेंटिफाई करना बहुत सिंपल है, आइसोबार्स भी, लेकिन आइसोटोन्स में आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा? N value. What is the N value? A minus Z. So N is equal to A minus Z. So यहाँ पे N value 8, 8, 8. So number of neutrons are same. Number of neutrons are same. Hence they are called as the isotones. Number of neutrons are same. Hence they are called as the isotones. Very easy होता है ये सब चीजें. Then next term is the isodiphers. यहाँ पे मैंने आपको आइसोटोप्स बता दिया. ये होगा आपका आइसोबार्स, ये रहेगा आइसोटोन्स, और नेक्स्ट दैट इज द आइसोडाइफर्स. आइसोडाइफर्स, so isodiphers, what are the isodiphers? Isodiphers are that atoms in which N minus Z value are same. क्या है? N minus Z values are same. So what are the isodiphers? Isodiphers are that atoms in which N minus Z values are same. So N minus Z values are same. So those atoms in which N minus Z values are same are called as the isodiphers. So what are the isodiphers? Isodiphers are that species in which n minus z values are same. For example, remember this potassium, its isotopic mass is 39 and its atomic number is 19. Then fluorine, atomic number is 9 and mass number is 19. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? आइसोडाइफर्स. क्यों बोलते हैं हम इसको आइसोडाइफर्स? लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. सो आइसोडाइफर्स, व्हाट इज द कंडीशन ऑफ आइसोडाइफर्स? n माइनस z इज सेम. सो यहाँ पे व्हाट इज z? z, यहाँ पे z वैल्यू 19. व्हाट इज n वैल्यू? n इज इक्वल टू a माइनस z. सो 39 माइनस 19, डायरेक्ट लिखता हूँ 39 माइनस 19 a minus z, that is the 20. So what is value of n minus z here? n minus z, n value is 20, z value is 90. So n minus z is 1. Then consider this one, fluorine. What is z value? 9. What is n value? a minus z, that is 19 minus 9, that is also 10. Then what is n minus z? n minus z, that is the 10 minus 9, 1. क्या हो गया? That is the isodiapers. So isodiapers, what are the isodiapers? Isodiapers, n minus z same. So those atoms in which n minus z, यहाँ पे आ गया ना, n minus z value 1, n minus z is 1, therefore these two atoms are called as the isodiapers. One more example. Uranium. What is the atomic number of uranium? 92, 235. शायद आपने पढ़ा होगा यूरेनियम 235. इट इज़ यूजफुल इन एटम बम एक्सप्लोजन. इसको 235 का कन्वर्जन 236 में करते. हमें भी आगे जाके पढ़ना है. सो यूरेनियम, दैट इज द 92, 235. देन दैट इज थोरियम. Atomic number is 90. What is the atomic number of thorium? Its atomic number is 90. Thorium atomic number is 90. Then what is its mass number? It is 231. It is the 231. Then so this one, what is Z here? 92. What is N here? A minus Z. What is value of A? 235. What is Z? 92. A 3, 4, 143. It is the 143. Then what is N minus Z? Isodiapers means N minus, you have to calculate N minus Z. आपको क्या निकालना होगा? N minus Z की वैल्यू आपको चाहिए. N minus Z. So what is N minus Z? What is N value? That is in front of you, 143. What is Z value? That is 92. So 3 minus 2, 1, that is the 5. So what is N minus Z? 51. और इसकी वैल्यू भी कितनी आनी चाहिए? 51. तब बनेगा अपना आइसोडाइफर्स. So what is Z value here? Z is equal to 90. Z is equal to 90. Then what is N is equal to? A minus Z. What is A? 231 minus, what is here? 90, 141. Then what is this? Your N minus Z value. N minus Z. That is N का मतलब 141. Z. What is Z? 90. That is the 51. That is also 51. Therefore are called as the isodiapers. So remember, this is one of the important term, isodiapers. What are the isodiapers? Those species which containing same value of N minus Z. N is the neutron, number of neutron, Z is the proton. So number of neutron, it is the difference between neutron number and atomic number, and when this difference is same, n minus z 1 1, n minus z 51 and 51. So here these two atoms, this pair is isodipers, this pair is also called as the isodipers. This potassium and thorium are not isodipers. Those species are called as the isodipers in which n minus z values are same. N minus z values are same, are called as the isodipers. So remember this one, what is meaning of isodipers. And now one more term, isosters. Isosters. All these terms are very important. Isosters, isodipers. ज्यावेळेस आपण पुढे काही केमिस्ट्री शिकणार आहोत त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला टर्म येत राहतील. आयसोटोप्स त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला माहीत असायला पाहिजे व्हॉट आर द आयसोटोप्स. ज्यावेळेस न्यूक्लिअर केमिस्ट्री आपण शिकणार आहोत त्यावेळेस सम ॲटम्स आर रेडिओॲक्टिव्ह, सम ॲटम्स आर नॉन रेडिओॲक्टिव्ह. मग रेडिओॲक्टिव्हमध्ये NP रेशो काय आहे, मॅजिक नंबर काय प्रकार आहे, व्हाय न्यूक्लियस इमिट द अल्फा बीटा पार्टिकल्स, व्हाय न्यूक्लियस आर रेडिओॲक्टिव्ह, विच फॅक्टर responsible for the radioactivity, due to which atom becomes radioactive. ह्या सगळ्यासाठी तुम्हाला आयसोटोप्स, आयसोबार्स, आयसोटोन्स ह्या सगळ्या स्पेसिस क्लिअरली माहीत असणं गरजेचं आहे. आणि त्या एंट्रन्सला सुद्धा विचारतात, नीटला विचारू शकतील, जेईला विचारू शकतील, मे बी CETला विचारू शकतील. त्यामुळं करताना सगळं क्लिअर करायचं आपल्याला. अँड नाऊ नेक्स्ट इज द आयसोस्टर्स. आयसोस्टर्स. So what are the isosters? Isosters, these are the molecules which having same number of atoms and same number of electrons. So what are the isosters? Isosters, these are the molecules or species. Molecules containing, those molecules containing same number of atoms and electrons. Same number of atoms and electrons are called as the isosters. So what are the isosters? Isosters, these are the species which containing same number of atoms and same number of electrons. For example, En2 and CO. In this molecule, how many atoms are there? 2 atoms of nitrogen are there. How many atoms are there? 2 atoms of nitrogen. Here, how many atoms? 1 atom of carbon and 1 atom of oxygen. So both these molecules containing same number of atoms. 2 atoms, 2 atom. Now what is the atomic number of nitrogen atom? 7. Nitrogen का atomic number कितना है? 7 है. So how many atoms are there? 2. So 7 is the atomic number. So 2 atoms means how many electrons? 14 electrons are there. What is the atomic number of carbon? That is the 6. What is the atomic number of oxygen? 8. 8 plus 6, 14. So in both these species, same number of atoms and same number of electrons. How many atoms? 2 atoms. And how many electrons? 14 electrons. Such type of molecules are called as the isosters. So what are the isosters? Isosters means molecules which containing same number of atoms and electrons, not only atoms. So remember, if only atoms are same, electrons are different, not isosters. Isosters होने के लिए नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और नंबर ऑफ एटम्स दोनों क्या होने चाहिए? सेम. सो हाउ मेनी एटम्स? यहाँ पे 2 एटम्स है, यहाँ पे 2 एटम्स है. इस मॉलिक्यूल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है? 14 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर देयर. और इस मॉलिक्यूल्स में भी कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है? 14 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स में आर देयर. सो एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल दोनों, एटम्स 2, यहाँ पे 2, यहाँ पे 2, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 14, यहाँ पे 14, यहाँ पे 14. दिस मीन्स दैट नंबर ऑफ एटम्स as well as number of electrons both are same. Means number of atoms 2 in both the species, same number of electrons 14, 14. Hence are called as the isosters. One more example, when we consider the N2O and when we consider the CO2. Very clear, how many atoms? 2 plus 1, 3 atoms. How many atoms? 2 plus 1, sorry, 1 plus 2, 3 atoms. So both these spaces containing same number of atoms. इससे isosters होगा क्या? नहीं होता है. Because only number of atoms are same. हमें क्या देखना पड़ेगा? Electrons देखना पड़ेगा. So how many electrons are there? So that is the in nitrogen. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7. 2 nitrogen, 14 electron. 14 plus 8, that is equal to 22 electrons are there. यहाँ पे carbon, that is the 6 electrons. और oxygen का atomic number 8. 8 into 2, 16 electrons. That is also equal to 22 electrons. Hence N2O and CO2 are called as the isosters. So such type of question may be asked for the exam. अगर आपको इस तरह के सवाल एग्जाम में पूछे जाएंगे ना, isosters आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा आपको. So very simple, you have to identify. It is very easy to identify the number of atoms. 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 3. Same number of atoms. Then see the electrons. 14 plus 8 and 6 plus 16. Hence they are called as the isosters. Isosters. And one more term, that is the isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species. इसके बाद हमें शुरू करना है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, शेल्स, सबसेल्स, isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species. So isoelectronic species, what are the isoelectronic species? The species which containing same number of total electrons. The species which containing same number of total electrons. If number of electrons are same as well as number of atoms are same, are called as the isosters. But only electrons are same, then that species are called as the isoelectronic species. So those species which containing same number of electrons, same number of electrons, same number of electrons. In some book उसमें क्या दिया है कि सेम नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, गलत है. सेम नंबर ऑफ टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉन, क्या चाहिए? सेम नंबर ऑफ टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो व्हाट आर द आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पीसीज? दो स्पीसीज व्हिच कंटेनिंग सेम नंबर ऑफ total electron, same number of total electron. For example, when we consider the CH4, NH3 and H2O, these molecules. So here how many atoms? 5, 4 and then 3. Hence are not isosters. So how many total number of electrons? Atomic number of carbon 6, hydrogen 1, 4 hydrogen, 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Here atomic number of nitrogen 7 plus 3 equal to 10. And H2O, 2 hydrogen, 2 electrons, 1 oxygen, 8 electrons, also equal to 10. So same number of total electrons, hence are called as the isoelectronic species. Are called as the isoelectronic species. Then when we write the Na plus, then O2 minus, then F minus. So what is the atomic number of sodium? Atomic number of sodium is 10. So atomic number of sodium is 10. Atomic number of sodium is 11. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Atomic number of fluorine is 9. So what is the charge on sodium? Plus 1. Plus 1. What is the meaning of plus 1 charge? What is the meaning of positive charge? Plus 1 एक charge आहे, म्हणजे काय की त्याने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दिलाय. Sodium carries unit positive charge. This means that it loses the 1 electron. Total number of electrons are 11. After losing the 1 electrons, how many electrons? So this is the atomic number, also represent the electrons in neutral atom. After losing the 1 electrons, how many electrons? 10. What is the atomic number of oxygen? 8. Means how many electron in oxygen? 8. But what is the charge on oxygen? 2 minus. 2 minus means gain of 2 electrons. 8 plus 2, 10. Same, gain of 1 electron. 9 plus 1, 10. And hence are called as the isoelectronic species. are called as the isoelectronic species. So remember this isoelectronic species, those species which containing same number of electrons are called as the isoelectronic species. Are called as the isoelectronic species. And now next part is the electronic configuration. For example, when we write the argon, atomic number of argon is 18. तो इसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन आप कैसे लिखते हो? आप ऐसे लिखते हो 2, 8 and 8. ओके, लेकिन आगे जाके हमें क्या लिखना है? इसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हम लिखेंगे 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p6. 2 plus 2 4, 6 plus 4 10, plus 2 12, plus 6 18. ऐसे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हम लिखेंगे. सो ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कैसे लिखते हैं, इसके लिए आपको क्या पता होना चाहिए? यू शुड नो द शेल्स, यू शुड नो द सब सेल्स एंड ऑर्बिटल्स. तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है, शेल्स, सब सेल, क्वांटम नंबर क्या है, ये सब चीज़ें हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, नो स्टॉप हियर.